My name means the happiness or the luckiness of Thor, the god of thunder. I was lucky enough to grow up in a small fishing village. Very sharp mountains, lot of rocks, everything very free. And I took my daughter back there when she was just a little girl, and she looked up and like, whoa, this is a big mountain. And I suddenly saw it through her eyes, and I realized how overwhelming the mountain was. This somehow affects you as a character when you grow up with this very graphic landscape around you. But I always had the dream that I wanted to do this horseback riding in the mountains. With this animal, you sense and feel the nature in a very different way. It's an amazing experience. The Icelandic horse is the same breed that the Vikings brought with them, and it hasn't been mixed with any other breed all this time. You really feel this volcanic island inside you, in your body, in your soul. Iceland is one of the few places in the world where you can find untouched nature.